YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Today was a pretty great day for making coins on FIFA 23, and in this video we're going to look at how we made those coins. We're going to look at FIFA investments, we're going to look at the market in general, and some new team of the season rewards, foot champs information to go over. But before we do all that, we're going to talk about content today on Sunday. If you want to have millions of coins in FIFA 23 like me, go to u7buy.com for cheap, fast, and reliable FIFA coins. Make sure you use code TEDDY at checkout to get 5% off your order. Link is in the description down below. Content today on Sunday was a little disappointing in the fact that we didn't get any sort of icon or hero SBC. I know we got the icon yesterday on Saturday, but usually, we do get an icon or a hero on Sunday, but we did not get that today. Instead, we just got a Hector Bellerin SBC. I don't think many people care too much about this. And we got, if we can go to it, a Team of the Season Challenge SBC. We knew this was coming, and I've been saying, you can trade with these Team of Season Challenge SBCs. You can SBC solution trade, or you can trade with them when they come out. It gives you an 8 Serie A player pack. And we've been able to do this for pretty much every Team of the Season when this SBC comes out. And this one was probably a little better than some of the other ones for trading. SBC solution trading wasn't insane. I would say some of the SBCs, like I think it was Stindl, went from like 500 coins all the way up to 8,000 coins. So there were some good ones. And I mean, as long as there's a couple good ones, if you miss on a few cards when you're SBC solution trading, as long as you have one player like Stindl, you're going to make bank. But when this did come out, we called out players like James Madison. He was 1,300 coins. He went all the way up to, I think, like around 6,000 coins. Let's just take a peek what he's going for now. He's still up in price. Another player that we tipped was Payet. We looked at Luke Shaw. We looked at Gaia. A lot of the players that we tipped rose. I think one of the only ones that we tipped that didn't really rise was Montiel. I think Montiel was like 1,000 or 1,100 coins. And if we look at him, he didn't end up moving too much. Let me just take a peek. What is he? Is he up in price now? Okay, maybe he actually ended up rising. I stopped watching him after like half an hour because he wasn't rising, but it does look like he finally ended up going up in price and doubled. So that's what we did. I always tell you guys when those SBCs are coming out, I'm live at content. You can join the streams and I call out the players. If you're on PC, especially when you're on PC, players for these SBCs, they fly, like absolutely go to the moon. So definitely if you're on PC, it's worth it to join the streams at content drop. Even if you're on console, I mean, you saw here, these players flew. Madison from 1,300 to around 6K. Luke Shaw did similar. They rose a lot. So a lot of coins to be made there. That was a great day for trading. A lot of people went from, 50K, 100K up to 200K, 300K. So really, really solid day for trading. Now, no hero SBC, disappointing. No icon, anything like that. Just kind of frustrating there. Let's go over Fodder now. We'll go over the market afterwards and all that. Let's go through investments with Fodder. So Fodder, we know high-rated Fodder has risen a ton, and when it comes to high-rated Fodder, we're not really watching that until later. I told you guys in the previous video with high-rated Fodder, Benzema, 91, 92, high-rated team of the season, stuff like that. We are not watching any of these cards until maybe Wednesday, somewhere around there. Maybe Tuesday we could look into it. It depends on how much they are. But basically, we're looking to buy high-rated Fodder before the icon SBC refreshes, because I believe when that icon player pick refreshes, we are going to see people going and completing it. A lot of people are going to complete it again, and we'll probably see Fodder rise a good amount once again. So we will look into high-rated Fodder later in the week. But for now, the ratings that we are watching, I told you guys in the previous video, 83s for 1,500 coins. Now, it's a bit tricky because some 83s, a decent amount of them are somewhat up in price because of the challenge SBC. The rating is 80 overall, so we do see some of the 83 overall 83s. They do decent in the Team of the Season Challenge SBC, so they do go up in price a little bit, and it makes it a little somewhat more difficult to actually buy the cards. But if you can check right now, you see at 1,700 coins, they're basically not even selling. So we are looking to get them for 1,500 coins again. It should be easy. I would say 1,600 coins is the absolute max. Now remember, when you are going to do this, there are some bidding filters you guys can find out. Like the min price on 83s is 800. So you could go min price 800, max price 1400, min buy now, up it to 17, and go max buy now 10K. This is a filter you could use to try to pick up some 83s. And if you go through it, we will see 83 Fernando, 800 coins right there. We'll see 83 Fabian. You just go through and you can bid on 83s. You can do that. You can also just up the min price so it's more in the 83 overall range. It's a bit tricky at the 1400 range just because, there's no... The 83s are probably 1500 coins on bid. So if I do the max price 1400, we're not going to find too many. But as you can see here, 1500, 14, you can see a lot of 83s. That's something you guys can do to try to pick up some of these 83s, or just pick one card and snipe him or get on bids. It's really up to you. But definitely that's a little filter you guys can try out. That's a tough one. Center mid is in that team of the season challenge. So that center mid is probably somewhat up in price. Another one I want to talk about, 83s are the safest and the best probably return for your coins investment. Like if you get them for 1500, there's a decent chance they go over 2000. For the past month, I'm pretty sure they've gone over 2000 coins every single week for the past month. So I think 83s are the safest, especially if you're like below a mil. Definitely that is what I'd be looking out for. Now, for 84 overall cards, we are looking to buy them. They're actually getting pretty cheap, around 3,500 coins. And it looks like that's going to be pretty easy to do. If you go, it looks like they're 3,600. I mean, you just saw right there, 3,500 was sitting there as well. So 3,500 coins max is what I would pay. I would try to get them for less. And another bidding filter you guys could try for that is something like min price 3,000, max price 3,400, min buy now I'd go like 37, and max buy now 10K. And this will probably give you a lot of 84 overall cards to find on bid. And when I do a filter like this, you're not going to be getting a crazy amount of deals. If you want to take a chance on trying to get a decent amount of deals, you would do the min price at 1,100, because 1,100 is the min price on all 84, not all, but pretty much most 84 overall cards. Start price on that Thomas Partey, 1,100 coins. So maybe you can get some deals if you do it that way, but I wouldn't expect anything too crazy. So there's that with 84s, 3,500, and we need some good requirements for them. I hope it can be like, what was it, 2 weeks ago with La Liga team this season? They flew and we made a crap load of coins. Hopefully we can see something like that again. But I mean, I don't know, because I can't predict the ratings. I'm just giving you guys prices that I think are good. I don't think you're necessarily going to lose. I don't think you'll lose coins on 83s. When it comes to 84s, I don't really think you would lose too many coins either if you wait till like Wednesday or Thursday. Now, 85s, let's go on to them. 85 overall cards, they're actually getting fairly cheap. If we take a peek at them, they are going for below 8,000. I think they're like they're almost 7,500 coins. They're actually getting fairly low. Now, for 85s to rise, you're going to need the SBC to be like, hey, you need 285s minimum. So it would be like an 83 overall squad, 285s minimum. 84 overall squad, 285s minimum. You need the specific rating requirement for these guys to rise a good amount. And if we do see something like that, they'll probably go over 10,000 coins. Maybe even closer to 12K. When we saw that happen with the team of the season guaranteed SBC, I think it was the Ligoon one. If I'm correct, I think it was the Ligoon one, or it was like the 83 times 3 refreshing every day. I don't remember which one it was. But we saw the 85s go to like 12,000 coins, 13,000 coins. They flew. So whenever we see that, these cards do have potential to fly. It's just you need the specific rating requirement. And if you're looking to buy these cards, you're probably trying to buy them for around 7,500 coins is what I would say. And a filter for that, you would just put them in price at 7K and then the bid around 7K as well. And I'd probably go min buy now 10.25 just to avoid some of the cheaper guys. And if you're actually doing that, you could go min price 2,100. So you can see if you can maybe get some good deals on 85s. And if you do that, you'll see my filter is definitely glitched out because it shouldn't be at the 10th minute. But let's see if I can fix it right here and make it work. It's really annoying. Okay, see? So the min price on 85s is 2,100. So, maybe sometimes you can sneak through and get deals for really cheap if you want to try that out. 6,100 right there on Fodder. So there are my filters for buying fodder and the prices that I think. And we're looking to sell them on Wednesday or Thursday. 83s and 84s are more so like a Thursday sale, I would say. 85s, I'd say more on Wednesday or just when they rise. I'd probably say more so on Wednesday. So there's my take on Fodder. I'm not going anywhere else on that. Now, Team of the Weeks. We talked about these as well. Last year, Team of the Weeks after Team of the Season. Right now, it's Serie A Team of the Season, then it's Ultimate Team of the Season, and then I believe it is done. Once Team of the Season is done, last year, if it follows the trend, they went from 10,000 coins to 40,000 coins after Team of the Season once it was done. So, Team of the Weeks at the moment are, they're pretty much 10,000 coins. If you want to pick them up, we've been talking about it. It's not a terrible time to do it. And we were actually thinking about it on stream. Maybe the Team of the Week SBC refreshes. There's a tradable Team of the Week SBC. It could come out and bring supply. So whenever that SBC expires, there could be more supply to come. Yes, let's see what day does it expire on. I already did it, so I got to go all the way to the back. It expires in 11 days. So we will not see, I shouldn't say will not, there's like a slight chance, but I'd say no. We probably won't see tradable supply on any supply on Team of the Weeks for at least another 11 days. So if you want to pick up Team of the Week cards, I don't think it's a terrible time because we have Serie A Team of the Season right now. And then after that is Ultimate Team of the Season. And that's Ultimate Team of the Season is all high rated, high meta cards. So we're not going to really have any more supply on the lower, I guess, like fodder type Team of the Season cards. So I think Team of the Week's 10K. If you are buying them, if you join my streams, sometimes I put stuff on the side for you guys to buy. If you are buying Team of the Week cards, just know it's like more like a 3-week hold investment, but it has a lot of potential for you to make some coins. Like I'm prepared for Ultimate Team of the Season. I'm going to make a nice team. And then with the rest of my coins that I have, I'm going all in on Team of the Weeks. A lot of people are going all in on Team of the Weeks or discard Team of the Seasons, but the discard Team of the Seasons are up in price because this Icon SBC made them rise. I think they were like around 18K or maybe a little less, and they all rose their 22K and higher. So I'm not looking at that at the moment. So that's my take on Team of the Weeks. If you want to go in, just know, it is a fairly long hold. And let's go into the market update now. The market actually came down a little bit today. A lot of stuff, big high meta cards. I was watching some icons and a lot of stuff was down in price today. And a reason for that is Ultimate Team of the Season. Guys, Ultimate Team of the Season last year for Weekend League Foot Champs rewards, they took away Ultimate Team of the Season rewards, and instead they made it, you get a player pick from the top 5 leagues, and I don't remember what the Team of the Season pack was. It could have been an Ultimate Team of the Season pack. I don't remember. But I do know that this year it has been confirmed that we are getting Ultimate Team of the Season rewards. So not like a top 5 league Team of the Season player pick. It is strictly Ultimate Team of the Season player pick and Ultimate Team of the Season pack. So a lot of stuff has kind of been panic sold a little bit. We are seeing a lot of stuff on the market come down. And like we've said with Ultimate Team of the Season, in general, the market just goes down. And then after Ultimate Team of the Season, if they follow last year, it's the Shapeshifter promo. And with the Shapeshifter promo, the whole market crashes again. So, like I've said before, you can't really avoid losing coins on your team. It's going to be very hard to avoid losing coins. It's where we are at this game now. If you want to have your team and have fun and build it, just go ahead and do it. We're at a point where we're at the end of the game. Just do it. Now, with Weekend League rewards, guys, this is like the best weekend to be playing Weekend League. That's all I want to say. Like if there's any time in FIFA you really want to get a good rank in Foot Champs, it is now. Because if you can get up to, let's say, 16 wins, you get a tradable Ultimate Team of the Season player pack. If you get 14 wins, it's an untradeable Team of the Season player pack, and you get the Team of the Season player picks. This is 14 wins with the Serie A Team of the Season player pack. Now, I showed you guys previously Ultimate Team of the Season. In last video, I showed you guys what it was in FIFA 22. You're going to see players from all the teams, all the leagues, whatever it is, the best players. So you're going to see Messi in the team, Mbappe, Haaland, Kevin De Bruyne, Jude Bellingham, Vinicius Jr., Benzema. All the best players get put into one team, and they all come back into packs, the best players. So it's cracked. Ultimate Team of the Season is really crazy, and if you can get the player picks and the Team of the Season player packs, you are likely packing someone very, very good. So it's a great time to be on the game and getting a good rank. You know, try to figure out tactics that work for you. Practice a little bit beforehand. Don't stress too much. If you lose a game, take a break. You know, you don't want to ruin your rank too much for this Foot Champs. So there is the update, market update. A lot of stuff is on its way down. Ultimate Team of the Season is here. We're getting Ultimate Team of the Season rewards. And yeah, let's talk about expected content in the next few days. We are getting upgrade SBCs tomorrow, Monday. It's always an upgrade SBC day. I've had a couple people ask me about gold rares. Should I buy gold rares for the upgrade SBCs? I don't think they're going to rise a crazy amount. It's Serie A Team of the Season. I don't think people really care about it too much. So maybe they go up to like 800 coins. I don't know if they go really higher than that. So I don't think gold rares is really a decent move. We're probably going to get player picks tomorrow on Monday as well. I don't know how good gold commons would do. They are 300 coins on bid if you would want to try that out. I just don't know. I just don't know how many people are going to actually care about Serie A Team of the Season for grinding any of these packs. So if you want to pick them up, go for it. I just don't think it's going to be that necessarily profitable. So there's that expected content. Upgrade SBCs tomorrow on Monday. Probably getting the 81 plus times 11 Serie A SBC. Whatever rating gets required in that is going to be incredible. If we get like an 82 overall squad, 283s minimum, or like just an 83 overall squad and like an 85 overall squad, something like that, it refreshes every day. We want something that can make Fodder rise and we can trade with every day. If we get a certain rating gets required in tomorrow's 81 times 11, like two minimum of a certain rating, we can buy that rating every single night. And then when the SBC refreshes every day, we can sell it. It could actually be a really good way for us to make coins. So that is coming tomorrow on Monday. I would say Tuesday, maybe we get like an 83 times 3 Serie A SBC like we got with Ligue 1. We'll be getting the Liga Portugal Team of the Season SBC. And on Wednesday, the Serie A Team of the Season guaranteed SBC. I just realized I didn't even show the Liga Portugal Team of the Season. We'll take a peek at it real quick. I mean, it's nothing. It's really, I don't know. They're nothing crazy. We'll just go Team of the Season, boom, concept players, and here you go. Bada bing, bada boom. Goncalo, Ramos, 5-star skills, 4-star weak foot. They boosted that man's skill moves like crazy. João Mario, actually, you know, not a terrible looking card, but like, it's nothing too crazy. And when you are looking to make, it just sucks with chemistry this year, because if you're using an off league, you have to use a few players from that league. You can't like use an icon or just someone from the same nation next to the player to get the chemistry. It's just, I don't know. It sucks this year with off league cards. And I didn't even look at the Team of the Season moments myself. It's just Bellerin. That's it. But guys, that's the expected content. Thursday marquee matchups as well. I mean, I don't even know what it's going to be. It's throwback marquee matchups or some sort of Champions League type of thing coming up. We shall see. But that is it. Any questions, comment section down below. My free trading Discord, Twitch live stream description down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.